There be.
And then quite the social media. Now I think that a brand is self to me be fun. And Nippon Mokata social won't mean quite how Rwanda.
There be. Share.
And I want to be quite how to buy. What I am to buy and a Rwanda. Won't mean Kokata president will to buy a Rwanda. Now then I'm what I know. It will not happen. Because YouTube has been answering for criticizing. It did not do for 7 years.
Yeah.
Rwanda. Dubai, we say for China, because they understand that they will allow for to communicate with the system. They will end up misinforming
the people.
And misinformation is dangerous.
Yeah.
To the development of any nation.
Yeah.
And Ghana is a developing nation. We don't need this kind of sensationalism, evil communication on way.
Yeah.
Offer
money. Offer money.
I mean, cut up his mouth.
Yo, come on.
Obia, we are journalists. Kedaya was journalists to our Ghana, journalists to England, and now Canada, and America. A dia was big cat, the good tea. They cut the investigation to see her as a journalist. How we are to my mouth, our Ghana. Sir, they cut our 20. Yes, we show what she here without this camera, question. We yet pay him at the six other way. Wait me out that question.
Correct.
Clearly, it shows that we are corrupt. And the Ubia Bana no, we are journalists by you, what you must fairly. The Mayor Konya criticizing me. The Mayor Papa, wait me up. And to me, just to come out and come out the money. But Muzi, sorry, an agenda has been set. But some media houses beyond advising some editorial policies here against the government. Now we have done now them.
Yeah.
Now a company of the group about almost what
Timobi.
Someone in Akufo Addo, one on Yamiam, Pia, or more to Mutina, some of Mokano want to now they're from 2 years to go near my battle.
Yeah.
You cannot insult a Akufo Addo or tell who's down and off and went. It doesn't happen.
Yeah.
On my boat, I want your ship, but Yamiam into. We are watching so better, entrusted to us. Eventually, no one will go.
Sanity. That's many.
Bro, keep up the good work.
Thank you so much, my brother. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
That one district, one factory. Somebody tell that stupid Captain Smart. Say under one district, one factory facility in T. And they can tank her. Yeah, Omokas nam Dubai yo. Omokas nam Saudi Arabia ye ton ho. Is the Ghana youth really serious about developing themselves? Me say here, Aisha, I swear to God, when I read the budget, because okay, first and foremost, let me confess. When I had not read the budget, I was going by what the NDC were saying. Okay, it's NDC for because I say, oh, budget we no dey call IMF no. Mo dey mo pa mo hwe finance minister beba because or dey call IMF. This is the IMF budget. Oh, budget we na chere say bibia tete no. We dey you people will know. Or no be gina ho kan a mo be hu sampa Ghana tete apansam. I'm not lying. This is exactly what NDC said. Almost say oh, good. Mokai say a HIPIC budget. Mokai. To be honest with you, me NT budget no na mabohu kakra. Because na me tie say NDC for MPs na eka and ye bia na omanya idea about what the budget entails into no mo kasasa. Into na me yemo hiheme. Me fancy mo. I will not lie. To be honest, na me yemo hiheme say, "Hey, into NDC for asemo mo kan ya be mo ampa say ye call IMF budget ne ba ye no mo hu say da bi o sa tax okra no ba ko penny ye de aba." The only tax introduced in the newest tax I introducing wa de we mu e the e-levy tax say woman in na tax say NDC for the bad that they wo ho dia ye ti bi so dia ye twa bi mu ene wo ho na sebe enye ferie isa Aisha enye ferie enye ya enye ni wo so ka ho say Ghana ni graduate to wako Legon, wako K University, wako Central University, wako Valley View, wako Christian Methodist University, wako ni nebi onim economic indicators. Wako ni nebi onim bias waka so onim anobwa. Na ya tro budget, ya ready budget. The woman in no young count. The Yahoo say e-levy. Oh. Nanya musu ne nansa makofa boy bia ba say yes glass and quantity say Ghana yet say glass and guano. And anya mo. When time say face the country for near ejimi for no. Me say me to be honest, I thought this budget would have satisfied face the country people to some extent. Say, omo bebe be jino di ojo mo say, e yo mo no mama buying pressure and I buy yes a budget no. I swear, Sister Aisha, I thought that was what they were going to do. I thought, say, all these fix the country freedom fighters are no moody at temuno, ni ye pejumo, me kai Avram Moshe, say, Obeko ghetto, Akufo for you to no more government in hell. Ye pejumo. Now finally, ye the budget yaba. And kakoshe job session, no crana she, ye increase yama waka say, o increase yama. Na mama min shame NDC for kakra ha say. Munim say NDC omo be di aban mu ni na no. Every year be omo ready budget they go for supplementary budget. Opa your records na check it. There is no single year, even 2011. Mutie 2011 kura na Ghana ye economy no epeja ni mu no. They still went for supplementary budget. Opa mu de mon check it. Obi Google sisi no on can tell me if I'm lying and shame me here. Obi Google sisi somebody Google it and shame me right now. Akufo Addo for the 5 years, the budget our kind in on Koka say a supplementary budget. This is the first time in the books of Ghana, I buy to me a din huni a trian eduma foka. First, and every week be another demonstration. Ghana for we fee. Single spine salary one. A teacher for actual day 3 years, yes, every 3 months. Ghana for we fee. Face the country a pejuma the youth need job Abraham Moshe why your who tie se kwadu ayaka so abu abi sa no wa betan we want job ya the budget ya ba de mu ya na e-levy eno kwa na mu won se mu yenkurase for na wo se glass nko na ase yenko tete sebe mo ma amene mo papa no mo twa so nwi ne omokoto so nwi ne mfenko sie sa glass nko ano Oga the Jeffrey va na wo se ye metiti sa wa bodwe se na ayese wo horo sapo no eno na ne ye fa nkoye glass nkwa na mamo ana VAT until 2017 na mutua 17.5%. I don't say it true. 17.5% and na mutua. You were paying 5% on levies and stuff. Akufo Addo a bit 17 mu. They went to so we reduce. O say there be ehu eno. Adinti akose ese mahama ba. Obeye den. Well, so am yes ye ndidi. Wamba ye ndidi. How on earth do you guys think like nyansa no we we are graduate here ready budget and kafa budget na do na hwede mu yema there be ase mahama benti di amaka you start to there you man fam ho mo di ane se mu ye deda akopem se beti ase se okay na de mahama eba because oba akonfo no be soro ye be wie skade amamo ye de mudin be hye payroll so mama didi free mu nya adwuma so na mu didi free. Oh boy, illegal connection. And I with him. Won't electricity bill, water bill. I won't be na buying your hot tax calculate project. Who guarantee you free? What way? I just say one could do fee. Was so fine. What's air condition? What's radio? What's TV at the same time? With illegal connection. Illegal connection. You can't see a demonstration, illegal connection for us, almost in a DNM first. We want job for no. A Daniel team, illegal connection. Ɔman no mu ayɛ den for no. Ɔno a wɔntua light bill, wɔntua